Hello, my name is Simone and welcome to Countly. And before we get started, I wanted to go ahead and talk about the system requirements / installations. So, of course, to use this tool, you would need access to a computer, a mobile device, and also the internet, which is the web. Countly requires at least 2 CPUs for a good user experience, at least 2 GB of RAM for testing purposes, 4 GB of RAM for moderate traffic, and 16 to 64 GB of RAM or more for high traffic servers. And then also for installing, Countly needs to be installed on a Linux server. By default, the web server will be on port 80 or 443. So it is essential to ensure that those ports are free and unblocked. Then also there are multiple methods for installation, which are on the website. If you click on the Help Center, all of this information will be plugged in as well. So here is going to be a little overview about Countly. So Countly is a product analytics solution and an enabler that helps organizations track product performance and user journey and behavioral across mobile, web, and desktop applications. Provides a real-time dashboard for marketers that would be able to track user profiles, engagement, funnels, notifications, and segmentations. Sends targeted video and images notifications to custom iOS and Android users, and supports deep links, batch messaging, and scheduling so marketers can automate push notifications. Also tracks campaigns by assigning a unique campaign URL to track clicks, installs, downloads, revenue, and so much more. Now we're going to go look at the products that they have. So first we can go ahead and click on mobile analytics. And so this is going to be what will pop up for you. And as you can see, you have automatic track default metrics. You can track important metrics, transactions using custom events. And also you have funnels, retention, and revenue analytics as well that is built in for you to use. And as you can see, the send push notifications with media. And as you can see, this is all very detail oriented for big companies that need this type of data. So next will be the web analytics. And here's a little overview about the web analytics. So understanding your customers and their actions in detail using visitor profiles, which is very important. Track all important actions and transactions using custom events. Optimizing your conversion funnels and goal completion rates. And as you can see, they have error reporting, attribution, and also analyzing revenue and diving into page views and so much more. So this is definitely a tool that would be very essential for those big companies. And last but not least, you have your desktop analytics. So tracking all important metrics, interactions using custom events, visualizing your application using behavioral automatic using flows, making sure you can dive deep within those level data situations. And now that is done, we're going to go ahead and look at our customers. So as you can see, Countly is trusted by over 1,000 businesses worldwide. And as you can see, here are some familiar companies, which are T-Mobile, BMW, Coca-Cola. And down below, you can see the targeted industries, which are telecom, healthcare, media, technology, and also gaming. So as you can see, here are some big companies that trust Countly to run their business and organization properly. And then also pricing. So there wasn't a price specifically, but you do have 2 options. You have Enterprise Edition and Community Edition. As you can see, Community Edition is free. And Enterprise Edition is not, which you have to contact them for a price. But as you can see, if you do choose Enterprise, you have more access to the features than Community Edition. So below, I am scrolling down and showing you the options that you have if you want to go ahead and try the Community Edition or the Enterprise, depending on your business or organization. And then also at the end, you have your frequently asked questions, which are very important as well. And so now we are scrolling up. And that is pricing. So now here are some little features that the website have, which is a forum, documentation, and Countly Academy. So we can take a look at one of these. And then also you have your products. And last but not least, let's talk about plugins. So plugins, as you can see, you have your surveys, your NPS, your hooks, activity maps, data manager, configs, transfer, funnels, ratings, dashboards. As you can see, there are more plugins, crash and errors, formulas. And I would be here all day if I was to scroll down, but you have many options to choose from, many features to choose from if you were to go with Countly. So that is a plus. And then you also have a filter if you want to filter and see what products that are plugins that are better for you. So as you can see, I am unclicking them. And then you also have a option to see if the plugins are for Enterprise or Community Edition. And now we can take a look at our documentation. And as you can see, you have your user guides, your server installation, your data, your plugin development, your SDKs. So there's a lot of things that if you need help with, Countly has a community and also a forum to ask questions just to see if this tool is for you. So they also have a forum. And this is a community area for people to actually talk in a chat or a forum about questions that they have or things that are going on that they need help with. And Countly has made a page for people to connect with each other and also answer questions interchangeably. So now we are going to go over to Countly Academy. And as you can see, what is remote, and just different things, why do things happen, just different articles that you guys can read just to understand how the tool works. And then also you have a contact me. So this is only for Enterprise Edition. And basically you will put in your personal information, the reason why you are contacting Countly, and they will get back to you as soon as possible. So I definitely love that feature. And then also they have an overview of the app, which was very helpful. And here is a video of the overview.